Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this particular problem where there are how many numbers? Yep, 2 numbers. And the difference between the 2 numbers is 34, and there is a greater number if I multiply by 3, and there is a smaller number and I multiply by 7 and I add them up, they will give me 32. Alright, so for this particular question, I would then have I'm going to let the greater number be my letter x, the variable x, and my smaller number by. So once I have this, then I know that the difference is 34. That means difference means the greater minus the smaller, so you will see me having my x minus my y equals 34. This is my first equation. And if I multiply by 3 to this x, and I multiply by 7 to this y, the smaller number, they will give me 32. So the next line, you will then see me writing this down, 3x plus 7y, they will give me 32. So this will be my second equation. Alright, so we just came up with our very important simultaneous linear equation, and we are going to solve it. Okay, that's what the question would want. Well, there are 2 methods. So for this particular question, I'm going to use this substitution method. So from equation 1, my x will be equals to 34 plus y, and therefore I am going to substitute this x inside here, and therefore you will see that I'm going to substitute this equation 3 into equation 2. 3 I no longer write as x, I will write as 34 plus y. This is my x. I highlight it again. And I still have my 7y, and this one is equals to 32, and I'm going to just solve this equation. So 3 times 34 will be equals to 102 multiply, so plus 3y plus 7y equals to 32. So I would have 3y plus 7y, this one will give me my 10y. On the other hand, I will have 32 minusing the 102 on both sides. So this one will give me negative 70, and therefore my y is negative 70 divided by 10. I will get my first answer, negative 7. And once I have my negative 7, I will then be able to substitute this into any of the equations. I'm going to substitute into equation 3. And so I'm going to substitute my y equals to negative 7. In this case, I'm going to substitute into 3 so that I know that my x is equals to 34 plus y x. And my y is now negative 7. So therefore, final answer 27. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.